Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of 5 of the most talked about no annual fee credit cards in 2026. First is the Citi Double Cash credit card, the Robinhood Gold card, the Citi Custom Cash card, the Amazon Prime Visa card, and the Chase Freedom Flex credit card. We'll cover what each card is best used for, their standout features, the reward structures, the strengths, the weaknesses, and ultimately help you decide which one deserves a good spot in your wallet. So let's get started. With the Citi Double Cash card, it has become one of the most popular cashback credit cards in America, and for a good reason. Unlike many cards that require category tracking, activation requirements, or spending limits, the Citi Double Cash card keeps things incredibly simple. The card rewards users twice, which is once when they make purchases and again when they pay off those purchases. This creates a straightforward cashback system that appeals to almost everyone, from beginners to experienced credit card enthusiasts. And for people who don't want to think about rotating categories or bonus spending categories, this card remains one of the strongest everyday spending cards available. What are the main features of the Citi Double Cash card? It has $0 annual fee, a 0% introductory APR for 18 months. You earn 2% cash back on all purchases, and that's unlimited. You also earn a $200 cash back after you spend $1,500 on purchases in the first 6 months of your Citi Double Cash card account opening. There's no caps on the amount of cash back that you earn. You also have access to Citi Thank You rewards and is compatible with digital wallets. Next is the Robinhood Gold card. The Robinhood Gold card quickly became one of the most talked about credit cards in recent years, and the reason is simple. It offers one of the highest flat cashback rates available on the market without charging a traditional annual fee for the card itself. It's designed primarily for Robinhood ecosystem users, and the card combines cashback rewards with a sleek modern performance focused on younger investors and technology-focused consumers. The biggest appeal here is simplicity. Like the Citi Double Cash, it avoids complicated categories, but it offers even higher earning potential. And what are the features of this card? First, no annual fee, no authorized user fee. You earn 3% cashback on all categories, and that's unlimited. It has a modern app experience. You also get virtual card support and travel and purchase protections. Next is the Citi Custom Cash card. It takes a unique approach to rewards. Instead of forcing card holders to choose categories ahead of time or activate quarterly bonuses, the card automatically identifies your highest spending category each billing cycle and rewards you accordingly. And this makes it one of the smartest cashback cards available. Now, what are the features? You will earn 5% cashback on your top eligible spending category each billing cycle, and there's also automatic category tracking. You earn 1% on all other purchases, and you have access to the Citi Thank You Rewards program. Now, on the website, it says that as of May 28, 2026, Citi is no longer accepting applications for the Citi Custom Cash card. So if you're interested in taking a cashback card, you're welcome to apply for the Citi Double Cash card, which I earlier mentioned. And there are also incredible cards from Citi: Citi Strata card and Citi Diamond Preferred Credit card. The next card is the Amazon Prime Visa, which was specifically designed to reward loyal Amazon customers. For millions of households that purchase everything from groceries and electronics to household essentials through Amazon, the savings can add up quickly. This card combines strong online shopping rewards with additional everyday spending categories, and that makes it more versatile than many people initially assume. Now let us talk about the main features. Let me take you through the unlimited rewards that you can earn with this card. You get 3% back when you shop on Amazon.com. You get 3% back on Amazon Fresh and Whole Foods Market, 2% back on restaurants, 2% back on gas, local transit and commuting, and 1% back on all other purchases. Now this is if you are not a Prime subscriber. But with Prime, you get way more. You get 5% back when you shop on Amazon.com, 5% back on Amazon Fresh and Whole Foods Market, and you get 2% back on the restaurants, gas, local transit and commuting, and 1% back on all other purchases. And you redeem daily rewards. You can get your rewards in as soon as the next day. or you can redeem them at chase.com for cashback, gift cards, or travel. Now, the fifth one on this list is the Chase Freedom Flex credit card. Unlike flat rate cards, Chase gives cardholders opportunities to earn exceptionally high rewards through rotating quarterly categories while also maintaining several permanent bonus categories. Now, here are the amazing features of this card. The Chase Freedom Flex credit card comes with a $200 bonus after you spend $500 on purchases in the first 3 months from your account opening. You also earn 5% quarterly bonus categories. Yes, 5% cashback on up to $1,500 on combined purchases in the bonus categories each quarter you activate. There's also a $0 annual fee, which is incredible, and you also get 0% introductory APR for 15 months from account opening. You have access to Chase Ultimate Rewards, and there are purchase protection benefits. Now, the biggest takeaway with this card is that you don't need to pay a hefty annual fee to earn meaningful rewards. These cards are all $0 annual fee. They don't come with a price, but instead you even earn while using the cards. In fact, many consumers can build an incredibly rewarding credit card setup using nothing but no annual fee cards. So the best choice comes down to where you spend your money. And it also depends on how involved you want to be in managing your rewards and whether you value simplicity or maximum earning potential. So if you're looking for a no annual fee card, these are on top of the list. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.